How about for the consignees? What are some pros for them?
So for consignees, this is great because, I mean, traditional relationship when you're getting new products to sell, you have to go to a supplier, wholesaler generally, or distributor or somebody, and you're buying huge shipments, right? So you got to invest the money to buy those things, and then you have to store all of these big shipments of things and all that stuff, So when you're selling on consignment, you don't actually have to worry about that. It's free. You're getting products.
Free inventory to fill up your shelves.
And who doesn't like free stuff, right?
I do. Everyone does.
So you get that free inventory, essentially
Yeah.
free, and then you get paid when you actually sell it. So there's no upfront costs. You have increased cash flow, so you can kind of put more money into like marketing other products and things like that. So it's really great for them. And they also don't have to worry about, ordering more things in. And it's the whole continuously having to worry about the supplier giving you stuff. The consigner is kind of going to just take care of that for you,
Yeah.
right? They're going to take care when you start to sell more things, they're going to just send you more, right? So it's going to be easy for you to have to worry about the logistics of that. You don't have to really worry about, having that supplier relationship, well, somewhat a relationship, but not in the same way, of course.